Art to Remember is excited to announce the launch of our online gallery. Simply create an account and start uploading your artwork today. You can upload as much artwork as you'd like and even add artists to keep it all organized. The best part? It's completely free and every purchase supports art education. Let me show you how easy it is. From the gallery page on your desktop or your mobile device, you'll have the ability to upload your art, enter an online order code, or search for your child's art. After clicking on Search for My Child's Art, you'll be prompted to enter in the school name. Click Search Schools and click on the school. Then you'll want to enter in the first name and the last name and click on Search. Add the artwork to your gallery by choosing the artwork and selecting Add to My Gallery. Go to your gallery to see all of your artwork. Select the artwork you would like to share on Facebook or in an email, or browse products for a keepsake you would like the art to be featured on. You also have the option of adding more art to your gallery. Simply select Add Art, and you will be prompted to upload your art from your computer, an online order code, or search for your child's art. To search by an online order code, simply copy and paste or enter the order code and select Find Art Piece. Add the artwork to your gallery and shop our products. When you have more than one artwork in your gallery, simply highlight which artwork you would like placed on the product you would like to purchase. To upload art from your computer, simply click on Upload Art from My Computer. Choose a file, name the art piece, add a description and the date, and click on Finish and Upload. The artwork will then be added to your gallery where you can share it in an email or on Facebook and shop our products. To add an artist, just click on Add Artist. From here, you'll be prompted to add a first name or a nickname. Click Add This Artist, and then you can start uploading artwork, or you can select artwork that's already uploaded into your gallery. For this, just click on the piece of art, click on Edit Image, and designate who the artist is. Then click Save. Your artwork will now be organized by artist. Art to Remember is really excited about this new launch. We hope that you'll create an account and start uploading today. It's really easy, and don't forget, every purchase supports art education.